Hi guys, my name is Devanshi and I'm one of the instructors at Dance Destination. If you like our video, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and please press the bell icon for instant notifications. So today we're doing a tutorial on the song Partition by Beyonce. So as you know that Beyonce is a diva, so you all also have to perform and dance like a diva. So let's go ahead with the choreography. So moving on to the first step, our first step is we have to walk. So while walking, your right leg will go forward. So you go right, left. Now make sure while you're walking, you walk with some amplitude and a good posture, and you make sure that your back is arched. Now about your hands, just let them go with the flow as natural as it can get. Just make sure that your hands are strong. From here, your right leg will go behind, then left, then right and left. So let's do the entire thing together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, your right leg will come up, then left. Now make sure that your leg is not too much up, that it will be uncomfortable for you to dance. So you go right, left, right, and then jump into your second. So it will be a little faster. So you go 1, 2, 3, jump. From here, moving forward, you do your chest and pelvic isolation together. So 4 count going down, 4 count coming up. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we are doing your chest and pelvic isolation, make sure that your back is arched, so that it will add on to your style and it will look good while you're dancing. And you can do whichever side you're comfortable with, either right or left or right. So we'll do from the start till here. Let's do the entire thing together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here you have to walk again. 4 counts. Make sure that on the 4th count you're coming back into position. So you go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Moving forward, your left leg will be on your toes, right leg will come up. You cross your right leg and your left leg will be placed to your left side. So it goes 1 and 2. Now along with this, your hands will go left hand behind, right hand up, and it will be a flop hand. The right hand is supposed to be a flop hand. From there, open and down. So both the things together, you go 1 and 2. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. From here, you contract twice. So you go 1 and up. Make sure that it's a little stronger so that it will look good while dancing. So you go 1 and 2. From here, your right leg will be placed to your right side and you face backwards. From there, your both the hands will be on your hips and you hit. Front, back. First left, then right. So let's do this entire thing together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving forward, from here you step your right leg and your left leg will drag towards your right side. So the step will be 1, 2 and your hands will go as if you're pulling something. So you go 1 and face forward. From there, Moving forward, your right hand will make a fist and your right hand will cross towards your left side. Make sure that your hands are strong. So you go 1 and 2. While doing that, your right leg will be on your toes and you will bend a little towards your right leg. So you go 1, 2. From here, your right hand will make a fist coming up like this and left hand over here, forward, kind of like a cross. From there, you go step towards your right side, towards your left side, coming together, flop hands up, then cross, going down. Now this is going to be fast. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. From here, you come up again and down. From there, your right leg will go slowly towards your right side and make sure that your back is arched and you come up, up, up and face forward. Now while you're coming up and you're facing forward, you can add your own style onto that. So let's do the entire thing again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Moving forward, from there you walk onto your left side. You go 1, 2, 3 and 4. From there, both of your legs come together. Again, right flop hand, left hand goes from up to down. While you're doing that, you bend a little back and come up. So you go 1, 2. From there, your right leg will step, come in, step, come in and step, come in. So it will happen thrice. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Along with this, your hands go first up as if you're making a flower. So you go 1, 2. From there, 3 and 4. From there, again, you walk towards your right side. You go 1, 2, 3 and facing forward. So fourth round, you're facing forward. Let's do this again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving forward, from here you come into your second position and your hands go 1 and 2. So you go 1 and hit. So you come into your second position. From here your right leg will come in, out. And your hands will go 1 and 2. So you go 1 and hit. From there you go down. Both of your hands go up. You place both your hands on your hips of the right side. Then your body weight will shift towards your left side. Your left leg will come in and out. So your entire step goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and. So let's take this from the top. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, hit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So guys, this was part 1 of the tutorial. We'll be uploading part 2 of the tutorial soon. So stay tuned for more updates. This is me signing off. Bye.